afternoon, students, to class today on this Wednesday the 30th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's jump right into today's announcements. First of all, there will be a quiz tomorrow. We'll talk about that a little later in the intro video. At this time, please turn your homework in from yesterday, page 47, numbers 23 through 30. Most of you did turn it in, but if you've not turned that in yet, be sure and stop, put your name on it, and turn that in now at this time. Incompletes. Andy, remember, when it says this assignment here is due by Wednesday, that's just the normal requirement. You're welcome to have more time. I know you're going through a tough time right now. That's no problem. Quiz by Friday. If that's a problem, let me know, okay? Just get this assignment here turned in when you can, all right? If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. All right, moving on. Today, we're going to work on homework and take notes. Now, the homework that is due tomorrow is the homework that covers yesterday's notes that you learned, okay? So here's the homework for today, page 47, numbers 13 through 18. There's a help video. Notice 11 minutes, pretty short, so you should finish it in class today, okay? If you don't, if there's a problem with that, you may turn it in tomorrow. That is fine also, okay? But I do not consider an 11-minute homework assignment a problem on a Wednesday night because you're doing it first and you should finish it today in class, okay? When you're finished with the homework, please watch this video here. Algebra 2, Chapter 1, Word Problems, Part 2. Okay, now, everyone stop and listen, okay? Grow some really big ears and listen. Every chapter, every chapter, here's how I do word problems. I go through and I teach the entire chapter, laying down the foundation, equations, whatever the math might be. Then I go back and we work on word problems from that chapter. Okay? Now, yes, it's difficult. Yes, it's intense. But hold on a second. 2-column proofs from last year were tough and intense, and I graded them very fairly. I gave you a very fair amount on your tests and quizzes, and I will do the same thing with word problems. So, work hard, don't stress, but work hard. Some of these you'll struggle with, okay? And that's what the help video is for. Please use the help video. Now, some chapters I have only one day of word problems, some 2, some 3. In this chapter, we're going to break the word problems up into 3 parts, okay? So we will be spending about 3 days on word problems. Notice we're starting with part 2. Here's why. It's for a very simple reason. It just simply fit into a Wednesday a lot nicer than part 1. That's the only reason, okay? And you can definitely watch the word problem videos out of order, okay? That's okay. All right. If you don't finish it in class, these notes right here, if you don't finish it in class today, then you may finish that tomorrow. Tomorrow's quiz will cover any homework problem from these lessons. Any homework problem from those lessons. Please study well. That's all for today, students. Please get to work on your homework and notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.